guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Future Trading with Mike. Today is the 17th of August. It is Wednesday morning. It's roughly about 10 my time, Eastern time. And looking at the ES futures, you guys know the Emini S&P 500. This is the primary market that I trade each and every day. Today is FOMC, so we have to be very cautious and pay close attention to the market, even, if you do any trading at all. So me, if I see something that lines up, I may take it. But I know, moving into the afternoon, I'm going to be very cautious and probably won't do any trading at all because we can see some, some big whips, up and down swings. So guys, if you hear something in the background, I have a helicopter flying over me. But anyways, over the area, I should say. I'm not sure if it's a plane or a helicopter, but it made a lot of disturbance. But anyways, yes, today is the 17th, and I'd like to start off and thank everyone of you guys who have currently subscribed to the channel. Maybe you're a newcomer right now watching today's video. I'm a price action trader. These are my live recorded sessions here, trading the ES futures. I'm a futures trader, so maybe you are too. But either way, this channel is geared more so for future traders. You do not have to just trade the ES like I do. You can be the micros. It could be crude or whatever the case is. But if you're a futures trader, we welcome you to the channel, guys. Welcome you to the channel. And maybe we can hopefully get you to join and the team here at Future Trading with Mike. And all you have to do is simply click on that subscribe button down below. But yeah, spend a little time watching the video, watching the content. We have a great, solid team or community of traders here on the channel. We actually have a Discord up and running. We're running that for a little while now, and we have a solid group or community on the Discord as well. So if you're interested in joining the Discord, I'll show you that. The Discord is here. I believe we have over, I don't know, maybe 230 community members as it stands right now. But if you're interested in joining the Discord was designed, and it's a community of fellow like-minded traders to where we share our ideas and thoughts about the markets each and every day, certain zones, levels. It's kind of a question and answering type form as well. So, anything surrounding futures trading, and you are a future trader yourself, please, all you have to do is find the link down in the description portion of this video below. Click the link and join today, okay? Like I said, we, each and every day, everyone who's trading pretty much on the Discord community, we share our ideas. We give, kind of praise or claps to individuals that are doing well in their trading. That's what this is all about. It's helping one another along, Like I said, someone may have the answer to your question. So don't ever feel, afraid or feel of answering a question, because no question is a stupid question, okay? Because we all started from somewhere we at one point didn't know or have the answers to certain things. So don't be afraid to ask, join today, all right? And, you can sit back and kind and ask your questions, and there are plenty of traders on there where we discuss, like I said, our levels that we're looking for, areas of interest. We kind of give our thoughts and projections about the market. So go ahead and join. Click on the link down in the description portion of the video today and join the Discord, okay? Also, if you wanted to also support the channel even more, we have two tiers of membership programs, pretty much two tiers. And it's basically the price of a cup of coffee. You can join as an elite channel member, which is the highest tier. I think it's like $6.99 a month, whatever the case is. But with that, you do get perks, okay, guys? You get shout-outs. And I do need to give 2 shout-outs this morning. But you do get shout-outs. You get emoji perks that you can use. You get priority to comments or replies back from me. You get exclusive video content which you do not get on the public side of things. And that means that as an elite channel member, which is the second tier of the membership program, and I'm going to show you what you can do to simply join. But what you get with the exclusive video content side of things is you get the inside thought process, or what I'm actually thinking. You get the full trade breakdowns. I go into detail, in depth about my trades and discuss why I took where I took the trade, or pretty much why I took the trade. I show you where I took the trade from, why I took the trade, what lined up for me to take that trade. So pretty much the inside, what am I thinking inside my mind as I'm getting ready to set up to make that entry. And I discuss also my entries and exits, okay? So I'm a supply and demand style trader, So maybe you aren't, but maybe you're looking to maybe try, are in the process of trying to understand, maybe even learn supply and demand. Now, I'm not an educator, and I'm not a trainer, I'm not an instructor, but tons of people have come to this channel because I guess they like the way I trade in a sense, and they quickly are able to pick up the style of trading. And if you don't know much about supply and demand, do your homework, go back and research, read some books, look at some videos. But supply and demand is highly, highly impactful style of trading. Okay, and that's the way I trade each and every day. And everyone who currently is watching this video knows what am I going to go and say next? You must be green every single day. The key is to be green, never in the red, okay? Not saying that you may not have a break-even day, whatever the case is. I'm not saying you may not have a red or losing trade during your session to where you may be red for, you know, at the current moment, but the overall goal is to be green each and every day. Find your way out of the rut and get back on top to break even and make money each and every day. And that's the goal, you know, because that comes along with being consistent. And as long as you are consistent, staying green, then you know you're doing something right, okay? So, I don't know, maybe I should come up with some apparel, or a hat, sweatshirt, t-shirt, or something to throw out there that you know, a catchy slogan or whatever the case is. Maybe you guys will be interested in maybe picking up a shirt or a sweatshirt or a hat or something to wear surrounding futures trading, you know, with that, maybe that slogan on it or something. But anyway, let's get back into, I'll tell you what, I'm going to ask that question now. Would you guys would you be interested, maybe possibly, in a shirt or a sweatshirt or a cap or hat? I don't know. I'm just throwing it out there. I'm kind of throwing a wild card out there because I thought about it the other day. I said, that would be pretty cool to actually, you know, wear something, some kind of memorabilia. I guess it's not really memorabilia, but some kind of nostalgic type, you know, shirt or sweatshirt or a cap or hat or something that has some kind of catchy slogan around what we do each and every day. Like how I say, you know, make sure to be green every day and never in the red. Something catchy around that. I don't know. But anyways, you know, leave me a comment down below. Maybe you'll be interested, and maybe it's just all for fun. I don't know. I think that maybe I'll test the waters in the future, whatever the case is. I thought about maybe getting a few made for myself or whatever. But, you know, because I really want to make this something here, creating this, you know, which started from nothing, meaning pretty much just a self-reflection of a, you know, compilation of self-reflection videos for myself. And now it's like, I never thought it was going to be unfold to where it's at today. But I think that, you know, kind of advertising and marketing things in a sense and getting things in front of people maybe will inspire people to kind of maybe see what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to be helpful as much as I can in a way to help other people out. And, you know, I mean, I'm doing this pretty much for free in a sense. I mean, getting on here on Discord, being active on Discord, trying to make these videos or making these videos with packed with plenty of content, as well as doing my live recorded sessions, doing my trade breakdowns. And I'm not really asking much of anything in return. I'm just doing so to be able to, you know, to help people along. That was my goal. Because when I became successful in trading, I said I want to be able to give back in some way to help people along. So I would love it if you guys support the channel to help the channel grow as well. So, but anyways, getting back to what I was saying, if you are interested in joining the Discord, please join the Discord. All you have to do is find a link down in the description portion of the video below. If you're interested in becoming an elite channel member, there's 2 tiers, elite channel member, as well as we have another tier. Okay, so the other tier is the loyal channel supporter tier as well. With that tier, you get the loyalty badges, the custom emojis. Like I said, priority reply to comments, meaning your comments will be pushed to the upper tier, or I will be able to see them way in advance. I'll be able to see them because they'll be at the top of the list for me to respond back to. But the elite channel members, like I said, you get that exclusive member content or exclusive videos, as well as long as you also get the member shout outs and everything included in the first tier altogether. Okay, so if you're interested in joining, guys, all you have to do is click on the join button either on the home page of the YouTube channel at Futures Trading with Mike, or you can simply click on any video on the channel, and you'll see that join button. It'll be somewhere, I believe, probably near the or underneath the subscribe button, somewhere in that vicinity. So if you're interested in joining, thank you. Appreciate you for supporting the channel. Okay, guys. Like I said, there are perks that you will receive that are not made public to the channel. Okay, because I would love to see people support the channel. And it takes time, you know, and time is money, and I have to put a lot of effort into what I do. And I'm already doing that. And I've been doing that for months. It's like 300 videos on the channel now. And it's just a way to give back in a sense, you know, and kind of help us and support the channel to allow to see the channel to continue to grow. And it inspires me as well. Okay. So without further ado, we have 2 new elite channel members that have joined the membership program. So I want to give my shout outs to Chris Stubbs, and I believe the other individual, make sure is, bring it up, Hanny Guitar Instruction. Okay, so those are 2 additional elite members that have joined the membership program here. And I thank you guys for joining. All right, you guys know what you will receive as becoming elite channel members. You'll get the you know, the perks and the exclusive video content as well of me covering my trades, breakdowns when I post those videos, as well as exclusive you know, topics or other videos that I post here to the elite or to the elite channel side membership program. So thank you guys for joining. Again, that's Hanny, hope I'm saying it right, Guitar Instruction, as well as, let me go back here, Chris Stubbs. Thank you guys. Let's take a look at today's market so far. Like I said, today is FOMC. Forgive me, guys, I do get a little tongue twisted sometimes because I got a lot of thoughts, you know, going through my head, but I'm trying to spit out at the same time, and sometimes they kind of clash and battle and hit one another, and one comes out before the other, or they both try to come out and things get twisted up. But anyways, you guys understand what I'm trying to say, you know. Maybe I need to slow down just a little bit, whatever the case is. But by nature, I'm a fast talker, and hopefully you guys can understand what I'm saying, guys, in the videos. I appreciate it. I appreciate all you guys. I appreciate you guys. And I love interacting with you guys on the Discord and on, you know, through the videos, through the comments. I thank you guys, okay? All right, so let's take a look at the market. If we look at the higher time frame, you guys always know that I start off with my higher time frame and look at the higher time frame. For me, that's a 60 range chart. And what do we have going on? We have, you know, the market's been breaking to the upside since like the middle of June. So making higher highs and higher lows. I know that I say that all the time, but I kind of want to reiterate that for all those who are newcomers and watching the channel today, that we can hopefully get you as a newcomer to be a subscriber to the channel. Okay, so right now we actually broke structure to the downside on the 60 sometime at the early part of this morning, and the market looks like it's actually tapped right into a small into an area of demand right now, and it's bouncing off that. It's already done that a few times on the 60 range, which I probably missed that. But so yes, we're in an area of demand off the 60 range, and I'm looking at you can see it right here on the 12. Okay, so this is what price is rejecting. So am I missing some trades? I probably have missed some trades. So let me see here. Let me follow through. Okay, see price could. Yeah, see price could. Yep. So it's already there. That was probably a long down here at the bottom. I missed that trade. But either way, yes, I'm going to show you. This was, if we break this area here, we could push higher. So let's see. We're at the V-pot too, so be careful there. But yes, price came down here when it making these lower lows and lower highs. It broke up here, right here, okay? This was a trade right here to go long on the pullback right here. Take this trade here, right here at 9. It was at 9 o'clock before the market opened up, but you can take it back up here at 2. If you got into this trade here, to be honest with you, I say at the break around 73, you could have taken it all the way back up to 74, 75, to be honest with you. You could have got a little bit earlier, maybe down here, if you took it on the pullback at 70 and taking it back up to 74 or 75. So you could have picked up 4 or 5 points right there. All right. Now, I didn't take that trade because I wasn't looking at the market by then. And then it broke higher, okay? Then it came back down here, and this is where you got to be a little careful. But, yes, there may have been an entry to take again once price broke above this area right here, taking it back up to the highs right here. So, all right, let's see if price breaks this area. We do got pretty much we got a kind of what I call kind of similar high right here. Price pulls back. So right now it's moving sideways, okay? So be careful in this area right here, it's building volume. If we get a break here, I may go long though. But I want to see a break above this area right here, and I may take it on up to this, maybe this area here. We'll see. All right, let's see. We're so close to the VPOC, so gotta be careful. Gotta be careful here. And what time is it? 10:20. Yeah, I want to really see what the market's trying to do here. It's right at the VPOC, so I want to be careful right here. Going to be careful. Going to be careful. Okay. All right, I'm long. I'm gonna scalp this bad boy. Back up to the upside here. Come on. 79. We didn't get filled there. Could pull back a little bit here. We technically didn't break to the upside completely yet. So I'm looking for a break here. Come on. See what happens. I'm expecting for a move to price to break higher here. So hopefully this candle closes to the upside. And we get a break. It could pull back though before pushing higher. It's not ready yet, huh? Nope, it's not ready yet. Come on, baby, push up. Got a little level right here, micro level. Okay, first contract is filled. I want to see this candle close to the upside. No, don't do that. Come on. They hit my. There we go. Okay, we got filled. I think it's probably going to come up here and test around the 79 or 80 area as well. We did get the candle close right here, so maybe we're going to break higher now. But you got to be careful because we do have like a little level right here. So be careful here. There's a little micro swing level right there. So on that trade there, what did I pick up? Trade performance today is the 17th. Quick 11 ticks right there. I'll show you guys. Just a quick 11 ticks. All right. 11 ticks. 11 ticks. All right, let's see what happens next. I don't know. Maybe price breaks this area here. Maybe I'll take a little, okay, a fall through trade back up to the upside up here. See if we can get, if price is going to come back and test the high right here, or these highs right here. It's just trading around the VPOC right now. Okay, so let's see. Let's see what the market's trying to do here. Too close to the VPOC though, but yeah. Too close to the VPOC for me. Maybe back up to the VPOC, possibly. I'm not sure here. Let's see what it's doing here. Okay. Just testing this area down here again. This is the man off the 60 range, like I said, guys. But it's already tested this a few times, so you really have to be really careful here. Yeah. Could get some rejection right here and price break higher and maybe even come up and test this area up here. So we'll see. It's like it's trying to break lower. Possibly it's maybe these lows here, but then it turned back around, made a high, higher low, higher highs, and now it's kind of chopping back down to the downside where it made a low here, lower high, low, pulling back, pulling back pretty decent. Just possibly maybe to drop lower so we have a bigger swing here. If it closes right here, just candle closes to the downside. So we'll see. I haven't really done too much of anything today so far. I wish I could have gotten this trade right here, and even possibly maybe this area here, but it would have to have a break through this area here to take it back up here. So, but yeah. Oh, yeah. I'm long. I am long 72.25. I'm gonna take a. Yep. Come on, baby. Push up. I think it's going to push a little higher here, guys. Did we test it already? Not quite yet. I'm going to go for a little scalp here. Come on. There we go. That cleared. Okay. Yep. All right. Right here, like I said, at least to 72.50. It may come on up here and run up and test the 74.25 area as well. Okay. So I just scalped that area because I saw price. It didn't break here. Okay. This is a fake out. So it didn't take out it didn't take out support right here. All right, I'm up 23 ticks right now. Show you guys. Okay. Okay. So that was a fake out. I failed to close lower there. And I took the bounce there. Well, not bounce, the rejection right here. You see right here. You see on the 12-hour price flip, green candle back to the upside. Couldn't take this area out. And okay. So that was two little entries I made so far this morning. We'll see what happens. But yeah, I said 70. See, there you go, 73. It may keep coming up here and run up here to I'll probably say 74. I don't think it could be done, but we got the V-pump right here, so be careful. There we go. What did I say? What did I say? All right. Classic fake out. It's a classic fake out, guys. I'm putting this out in the Discord. Okay. All right, let's see. All right, back to the VPOC, and that's a no-no for me, so I'm not trading right now. Yeah, it's sideways action right now. You can see we're actually in a wedge. Yeah, we're in a wedge here. Oops. Didn't mean to do that one. We'll grab another arrow here, show you. We're in a wedge right here. So around the VPOC, this is the VPOC on the daily right here. But what we have is, you know, price made these lows here, then it pushed up, made a high here, pulled back. Okay, so this is a low right here, and then it's trading within this area right here. So this is the wedge, price wedging right now, moving sideways. So a little difficult, and we're right around the VPOC. But yeah, this was a good trade right here. If you saw this and knew what price was doing at this moment right here. So far, I've only taken 2 trades, and I'm almost up 5 points, 23 ticks on the day right now. So just holding it steady, holding it steady. Let's see. The market's breaking lower now. So it was in a wedge here. Now it's breaking. It's broke through this. Let's see. Broke through this area of support here, and it broke through this area here. So these were the lows right here. Price pushed up, pulled back. Okay, made a low here. Couldn't break. You know, continue breaking higher here. So when it ran up here, it pulled back. It tested this high here again, and it broke lower. So basically, it just made a run to the downside here, pulled back, and broke lower. Breaking through support here and breaking through this area of support right here. So breaking the lows and breaking the lows here. So, but we are still in an area of, you know, kind of a strong area of demand sitting off of the 60 range chart. Anything can happen here. Price can reject and, you know, push back up. But my bias at this point now probably was going to be kind of to the downside a little bit, because we did break structure right here when price moved lower. But we are in an area of strong support right now on the 60. So, and we have resistance right above us. So you have to be careful about the way you trade and how you trade right now. Yeah. Let's see. Okay, I'm going long, guys. Let's see. Looking at the 12R here, we had was a push down. This is basically a swing to the downside, and trying to see some areas the price could test that. It's gonna have to break through some areas, but I think it's going to get a run back up to the upside here, and possibly could test. I have to be careful because I like I said earlier. Yeah, we have to be careful here. Let's see. 84. Yeah. retrace. Yeah. It's a possibility it can run back up and possibly test. I'd say 80, maybe a little higher, but we'll see. I'm taking a trade here to go long, but we'll see what happens here. Getting the pullback now. Taking on a little heat. I should have waited for the pullback. Sure why it's doing that, but this trade here probably could take a little bit to play out because we have some micro levels in between. The price could kind of push up to, bounce, pull back, before it kind of gets up into this area here. But I'm just going to scalp it back up to this area here, back up to this high volume area, and kind of play it that way. So this was basically a price, let's see, made a low here, swung back to make a low here. So this was kind of a swing, right, a bigger swing right here. Now it's breaking back into this area here, so I'm looking for price to push higher, bouncing off that area of demand off the higher time frame. We'll see what happens here. I need to be careful here. Need to be careful. Got the VPOC back up to this area right here. Hopefully we get the push up. We'll see what happens here. It's breaking back to this area structure right here, breaking back into it, so may need to. I want to hold this trade, but then again, it's like price is bouncing too much. Not too far away from the VPOC. Today is FOMC, and just not liking the way price action is moving. Price is moving. It's bouncing right here, and it's not moving quick enough for me. I may take my first contract out here. There we go, first contract, and maybe even my second one here just to get out the trade. Yep. Okay. So it's breaking back in the structure right here, guys, and it's probably going to try to run higher and possibly want to test. Maybe I'm not 100% guaranteed, but I would think this area maybe around 80 possibly. But I went ahead and got out, scalped it, broke back in the structure right here, and I saw that even on the 4-range chart. I see this little micro swing here. I'm taking the trade back up to that area right there. So that was a little long I got into. So right now I'm up 42 ticks. I'll show you guys, and I'm going to call it for right now. Okay. All right. So let's see. So, yeah, 42 ticks right now. I'm going to call it for right now, guys. Appreciate everyone tuning in. Today's FOMC, so please trade safe if you trade at all. I probably would not be doing any trading this afternoon. I may look at the market just to kind of see the craziness that possibly will go on, and you know, kind of hear what the Feds are going to say. But other than that, I'm probably going to close out for today and just trade tomorrow. So you guys trade safe. I'll see you guys in the next video tomorrow. What's tomorrow? For Thursday. I have some things I need to do possibly in the morning, so I may post a video tomorrow. I may not. I'm sure I'll probably do a little trading. I'm not sure if it'll be in the afternoon or excuse me, in the morning or afternoon. So we'll just kind of, you know, I'll let you guys know. But either way, trade safe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.